When the unexpected hits, hesitation isn't an option. Whether you're in darkness or sudden chaos, this gear isn't just for show. It's built to perform when everything else fails. From razor-sharp EDC knives and blackout piercing lights to multi-tools that fix, pry, and rescue, this survival lineup is compact, tactical, and ready for real-world emergencies. So hit that like button, check the links below, and share this with anyone who believes in staying ready. Let's dive in. When you need a tool that does more than one job, reach for the EDC Pry Bar Multitool. Built for everyday carry and outdoor adventures, this compact beast combines a bi-directional ratchet screwdriver, everlasting pen, crowbar, wrenches, and openers for bottles and boxes. Whether you're camping, fixing gear on the go, or just staying ready for anything, this multi-tool packs serious performance in your pocket. One tool, endless possibilities, always ready. Keep your essential tools organized and within reach with the multi-tool sheath and flashlight holster. Made from premium leather, this durable EDC pouch securely holds your multi-tool, flashlight, knife, and keys all in one sleek design. It fits full-size Leatherman, Gerber, and SOG multi-tools, making it perfect for work, camping, or everyday carry. The snug belt fit ensures quick access when you need it most. If you value style, convenience, and reliability, this leather sheath is the ideal upgrade for your EDC setup. The Levergear Toolcard Pro packs 40 essential tools into a sleek, credit card-sized design that fits perfectly in your wallet. Made from durable stainless steel, it includes wrenches, screwdrivers, a bottle opener, ruler, and more. All TSA compliant for easy travel. Whether you're tackling quick fixes, opening packages, or camping outdoors, this minimalist multi-tool keeps you ready anywhere. If you want a compact, stylish, and functional tool that saves space without sacrificing performance, the Toolcard Pro is the ultimate EDC essential. The Gerber Gear Dime 12-in-1 Mini EDC Multi-Tool delivers big functionality in a compact, pocket-friendly design, featuring needle nose pliers, a sharp pocket knife, screwdrivers, bottle opener, centers, and more. It's perfect for quick fixes or daily tasks. Its durable stainless steel build and lightweight frame make it ideal for keychain carry or travel. When you're deep in the wild or facing an emergency far from help, silence isn't an option. The Garmin inReach Messenger keeps you connected when cell towers vanish. With global two-way messaging, SOS alerts, and location sharing, it's your lifeline in the backcountry, the mountains, or anywhere off-grid. Stay safe, stay in touch, anywhere. The LuminAID 2-in-1 solar camping lantern and phone charger is a must-have for outdoor enthusiasts and emergency preparedness. This inflatable waterproof LED lantern provides bright, reliable light powered by the sun and no batteries needed. It also doubles as a portable phone charger, keeping your devices powered during camping, hiking, or power outages. Lightweight and packable, it's perfect for travel or survival kits. Featured on Shark Tank, this innovative lantern offers eco-friendly lighting and charging wherever adventure or emergency takes you. The TAKEFLIGHT Tactical Pen Multi-Tool blends everyday utility with self-defense readiness. It writes smoothly, houses a built-in LED flashlight, and features a sturdy glass breaker and tactical tip for emergency situations. Lightweight and pocket-friendly, it's designed for outdoor survival, military use, or daily carry. Plus, it makes a thoughtful, practical gift. If you want a discreet tool that combines writing, illumination, and personal protection in one durable package, This tactical pen is a dependable addition to any EDC kit. Stay hydrated anywhere with a 24-ounce insulated water bottle, designed for maximum convenience and temperature retention. Its triple-wall vacuum stainless steel keeps drinks cold for 48 hours or hot for 24 hours, while the leak-proof, non-BPA construction ensures safe, spill-free use. Featuring dual lids, a straw spout, and paracord handle, it's perfect for hiking, camping, or daily adventures. Durable, stylish, and versatile, this water bottle is ideal for anyone seeking long-lasting hydration on the go. A must-have companion for your active lifestyle. The OLIGHT Javelot Pro 2 tactical flashlight delivers powerful 2500 lumens in a compact, rugged design. Featuring a replaceable battery pack and magnetic dual switch, it's perfect for hunting, search operations, or outdoor adventures. Its focused beam cuts through darkness, while the durable construction ensures reliability in tough conditions. Whether you need long-range illumination, tactical performance, or a dependable EDC flashlight, the KEYSMART key holder keeps your keys organized, compact, and clutter-free. Crafted from durable carbon fiber 3K, it holds up to 14 keys while maintaining a sleek, minimalist design. Perfect for car fobs, house keys, or EDC essentials, it eliminates jingling and pocket bulk. Lightweight and expandable, it's ideal for everyday carry or travel. If you want a stylish, practical solution to manage your keys efficiently, the KEYSMART key holder is a must-have accessory for any organized lifestyle.